a big fat
Я вас, кажется, где-то видел. Да, я там часто бываю.
時にご相談なのですけれど、その時間のほんの一部だけ私に分けてくださいませんこと。
No mercy, no mercy. The wicked gonna.
Estoy loco. Estoy loco.
As you grow older, the phrase "you look older than your age" turns from a compliment to an insult. Oh, jolly joy, good gracious, good mercy, it's Marvin. More people are prepared for an alien invasion or an apocalypse than they are their own retirement. That truly says a lot about society, doesn't it? There's a big bag of deadly acid in the middle of your stomach, and we're completely okay with it. Great! Now I'm gonna be self-conscious again. Love it. A vending machine is just like a gambling machine for blind people. Hey, Marvin, there's certain things you can't say. No. There should be a people are sleeping button on the microwave to stop all the extra loud beeping. You realize how much money we'd make if we made that a thing? Like, why are we doing this? Like, can we just make a microwave? When you say the word crisp, it moves from the back of your mouth to the front as you say it. I hate the stuff you say, so stop saying crisp, okay? Don't encourage him, okay? I can see you saying it. Stop. As you get older, you're less likely to cry from physical pain and more likely to cry from emotional pain. Ow. Every house has a smell that only the people in that house don't smell. That's so true, it's petrifying. Like, that's scary. Why is Dora called an explorer when she only goes to mapped areas? Why is the first thing I thought of just, I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm... Right, now I got it stuck in your head. I think the door is permanently stuck in your head, Marvin. Shut up, okay? Merch is great, the merch is fire. Go and buy some so I can go retire. Hey! How much do we pay? Oh my gosh, you scared the tar out of me, Frederick. Don't do that! Ah! Don't look at me, okay?
Raising a glass to the gays and the boys and the trans and the girls and the big bald men. You better not assume my pronouns, you ain't got a clue what I feel inside. Shake my ass while I play Beyonce, you wanna come fuck me then get in line.
Nuke Radio, we make your eardrums bleed.
I just shoved a nuke up my pussy.
Chaos erupted on a New York area commuter train after a blonde woman appeared to take the presence of a group of 4 German tourists personally and launched into a tirade against one of them by telling them to get the f out of our country. The heated incident was described by one commuter as a very rarely sighted train wreck on a train.
Do not say that. Do not say that. Do not say that.
Are you German?
So I'm an immigrant. You know I'm an immigrant too. You know that, right?
The New Jersey transit train was reportedly leaving the Kansas City Chiefs versus New York Jets game on Sunday night, according to the user who posted the video online.
Right now. He's not doing anything. He's not doing anything. Listen to me right now. No, he's not. He's not. He's listening to me. He's not. He's not. He's not. He's not. Listen. He's not.
It did not appear that anyone knew what, if anything, the German man had said to set Brie off. After the video went viral, Brianna Pinnix lost her job at Capital RX due to her discriminatory behavior.
Have what's left of me, but for now, forget about that. Blow the whistle, baby, you the referee.
Your judgment is as your existence. Unsubstantial.
Famine, conquest, death, and war. Fill my void, I need some more.
Du willst echt alle Nicht-Jujuzisten abmurksen? Deine Eltern auch?
Natürlich, ich kann bei meinen Eltern keine Ausnahme machen. Zudem sind sie längst nicht mehr meine einzige Familie.
Darum geht es doch gar nicht. Ich dachte, du wärst gegen sinnloses Töten. Von wegen! Du tötest alle Nicht-Jujuzisten für eine reine Jujuzistenwelt? Das wird doch nie was! Es ist völlig sinnlos und vergebens, etwas so Unmögliches zu versuchen!
Wie verblendet.
Ha?
Verrate mir eins, bist du der Stärkste, weil du Satoru Gojo bist? Oder bist du Satoru Gojo, weil du der Stärkste bist?
Worauf willst du überhaupt hinaus?
Ganz einfach, wenn ich jetzt sofort du werden könnte. Wären meine törichten Ideale da nicht realistische Ziele? Sag's mir. Ich weiß nun, wie ich leben will. Jetzt muss ich mich nur dem widmen, zu dem ich imstande bin. Wenn du mich umbringen willst, nur zu. Das hätte durchaus einen Zweck.
Europe is way different compared to America, and some of the things here are crazy. For example, this is a door, and not only does it open like this, but it also does this too. And on top of that, their front doors only need a key to open instead of a doorknob, which is wild. But guess what? If you want to use the bathroom in public, it isn't going to be free because you need to pay to even get inside, yet this isn't even as crazy as things get. Walking around Europe, you'll see tons of these special plant shops, but guess what? They are a total scam and completely fake. But probably the weirdest thing in all of Europe is the fact that you need to pay for water at restaurants, and they also have the most dangerous elevators in the world. And that's why
Kanezaka is under my protection.
Jedi Master Yoda, Obi-Wan Kenobi, Anakin Skywalker, Ahsoka, Jar Jar Binks, R2-D2 und C-3PO in einem unglaublichen Abenteuer von Star Wars.
Close your eyes, promise you will love it. Just relax tonight with itchy till I die. All these lollies call me rubbing on her thigh. She say wet for her.
So we back in the mine, gonna pick and swinging from side to side, side to side. They start pulling one, hope to find some diamonds tonight, diamonds tonight. Hands up, you hear a sound, turn around and look up. Total shock fills your body. Oh no, it's you again. I can never forget those eyes. Baby, tonight, the dream is trying to steal stop again.
What do you think happens to monsters once they've lost their source of food and are off their leashes? Is there anyone who rules these seas who can rein them in? Who possesses the most power, the most influence in these waters? One of the 4 emperors, perhaps? Or the 7 warlords who struck a clever deal? Maybe the brats from the worst generation running wild. Not quite. After all, we can't ignore the Navy swinging around their hammer of justice, or the formidable fighters of the Revolutionary Army who struggle fearlessly for the common man. Or will it be those with the will of D who walk in the shadows of history? When and where will they decide to show themselves? Who's going to side with who? Who will betray who? I have a message for you to give to the celestial dragons. Tell them they will be dragged from their gilded halls. It's been 25 years since Gold Roger conquered the Grand Line, and no one's done it since. His rival Whitebeard stood before the throne, but met his end, having never sat upon it. So what happens now, do you think? There are more pirates running wild out there than ever before, but there's just one empty seat. You get it now. All those pirates are about to have a struggle for supremacy. The greatest in history.
Freshly blasted. Grill them over a fire and they'll turn extra crispy and smell so good.
Don't worry, Jean has informed me about all that a while ago. So, I went ahead and placed some orders at Good Hunter. Over the next few days, their chefs will be preparing the best fish fresh from the lake and cooking them right away. Freshly cooked fish served with Clee's favorite spices and my specially prepared desserts. I'm sure it'll be just as delicious as your catches.
Have you been all my life? Where have you been all my life?
Bring the action.
Bring it.
Love. Oh, yeah.
What? No! What would you do if you woke up one day and your whole family was white? Oh, hey there. Huh? How's it going? I'm good. Why are you white? Why are you black? Touche. I got this for you. Oh, sick! Did you steal it? No. What? I paid for it. No. I also got you swimming lessons. No! Are you hungry? Yeah, I am. So what you want to eat? Why are you asking? I clearly want chicken. There is no chicken. No! We only have fish and chips. If I walk up in a party, motherfuckers better move. If a motherfucker try me, I'ma put him on the news. I don't want